Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope this video finds you well. Today my topic is about Windows Server 2012R2, and in my video I am going to show you how you can enable your hypervisor in your Windows Server. If I show you guys that the Hyper-V is enabled or not, so if you see the list here in the tools, Hyper-V is not available. If you see, so we are going to perform some simple steps of a script contain 5 steps. We will run on our Windows server and the Hyper-V will be available. So let's start with the steps. These are the steps I have noted. We are going to run these steps using the PowerShell, right? So we have to open the PowerShell in the Windows server. We will run it as the administrator. Okay, we will run this script in the PowerShell of Windows server using as an administrator. So just let's start typing enable Windows optional feature. This script is the case sensitive, so type is it is as I am typing, and then you have to press enter button. It has been done successfully. Now I am going to run the second command from our script, and press enter. Okay, it has also been done. Now install Windows feature RSAT, and we have to replace this with clustering, and we will press enter. Now we have to run the fourth command, and then in the end we have to restart our server. So I am going to do the same. It has been restarted successfully. Now we have to log in, and the server manager will be restarted as well. Wait for a while as it is getting things ready. If you see this, okay, everything is ready. Now I am going to click on this tools button, and here you see the Hyper-V manager has been available. Here you go, you can use this Hyper-V manager to create virtual machine in your Windows server. Hope you guys understood these script and the steps very well. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, colleagues and students. Until then, stay blessed, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.